Join me as we go over and look at the Rising Star competition here at the 2025 Rendezvous. Alrighty, so these are going to be the Josh Roth Rising Star junipers for tomorrow. You got a total of 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 to choose from 9 different candidates. So here's what they're up against. If I'm correct, these are all grown from one particular grower. So they're Itagawas. See, they're all very similar. I think they're going to draw lots, if I'm correct. And then they're, oops, sorry, there you go. And then they're able to trade within themselves. Got some on some interesting curves. They're all very, I say about 1.5 inches in girth. Some on some really drastic movement. Now this one's kind of cool. That one's kind of cool. Had some really drastic movement on that one. So, again, this is Josh Roth is sponsoring. You can see that lovely sign. Josh Roth is sponsoring this one. Out of all these trees, are all very similar. Out of the 9 trees here, eight of them are very similar. Some mid-twisting right in the middle. And then one of them, only one too. Only one has this really drastic twisting of the trunk. Would be kind of interesting. Well, this one has another lower twist. So, be interesting who chooses what and then what they're going to do with it. So there we go. So just give you insight. I'll probably get most of it tomorrow, and then we'll kind of go with it.
All right, hey guys, this is John from Joshua Roth Limited. So we are at the 2025 GSBF Rendezvous, and one of the most exciting things that I get to be a little bit involved with is the Rising Stars competition. So the GSBF has clubs throughout California as well as a couple other neighboring states, but what the organization has done is made a call out and ask for the different regions of where the clubs are to nominate and submit a person to compete today. And I believe there are 6 people styling trees. All of the plant materials are provided through Ed Clark's nursery. And last night, Friday night, they played a little game to figure out who was gonna get what material. And they're spending all day today, Saturday, styling these trees. And so that's what they were doing. They're about halfway done for the day now, making some really, really fun progress. And then tonight, our visiting artist, our guest, Mauro Stamberger, will kind of choose his favorite and will be awarded a winner. And yeah, it's a super fun event. What we're trying to do is highlight up and coming professionals that you can try to book for your club events or YouTube or whatever else you got. These are folks that are wanting to advance their involvement in the bonsai community by giving lectures, workshops, working professionally, taking on clients, all of that sort of stuff. So this is a way to kind of quickly highlight their talents and where their skills are. So anyway, super fun event. It's very popular. They do this all day Saturday here in the main room where people can watch, ask questions. They can kind of explain their thought process as they go through different design phases. But it's always super fun. And then at the end of the evening, at the banquet dinner tonight, these will be auctioned off and the proceeds will go to help support the GSBF and the various programs that they provide to all the clubs. That's it.
Yeah, so the keys are in my top drawer and it's...
Pretty good, Danny. How you doing?
I catch your videos all the time.
Oh,
They're so good. Thank you for keeping up the content.
Especially when I can't be there, I go see your stuff.
No. At least someone's watching it. Thank you for watching.
Yes.
Here we go, Danny Martinez. Danny, I'm sorry I didn't get an interview yesterday, but Danny Martinez from Santa Barbara area.
Santa Barbara, yeah.
Awesome. And then how many years in doing bonsai?
Just under 10.
Under 10. Okay.
I barely qualified for this, so
Awesome. And then a little training from Mirai I saw.
a lot of training from
A lot of training from Mirai.
Yeah,
Favorite species to work on?
juniper.
Juniper, all right. And then I'd,
First 3 years of studying MRI was all juniper.
awesome.
So did nothing but juniper, didn't touch any other species, and that's when I kind of like realized I wanted to be able to focus on one species at a time, and Ryan was able to offer that at the time. So right after I finished 3 years of doing nothing but junipers, I went into 2 years of nothing but pines, which was great.
And then how did you prepare for this competition?
Sacrificial goat, you know, prayers up to the gods.
Just like everybody else so far.
Exactly.
I love it. I love it.
No, just a lot of, going over the basics in my head, exactly, what's my game plan, where I'm going to start, how I'm going to look at the tree, how I'm going to evaluate the tree, and then from there, just clean the tree, find the lines, figure out where I'm going to put the structure, and then base the tip, and then just start fine wiring everything.
Awesome, man. Hey, good luck.
Thank you.
Addison, how you doing, man? I didn't catch you yesterday either. You were driving down when I was driving to San
worries.
Francisco.
If you don't mind, I'm happy to chat, but after I do the structural.
No,
work,
not
save
big,
it
not
out.
big deal, not big deal.
My name is Ryan Pitts. I'm here in Santa Nella for the GSBF Rendezvous. I don't smile, Tom. Why don't you start that over?
No, it's okay. Keep going. Keep going. I'm going to keep it. That's the best part.
No, you're not going to keep that. Yeah, my name is Ryan Pitts. I'm here in Santa Nella for the GSBF Rendezvous Rising Stars competition. I've been doing bonsai about 6 years.
What club are you part of?
Oh, I'm part of the Chino Bonsai Club. I have a website, Apex Bonsai Studio, if you want to see more of my work. But for this competition, I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to meeting all the other contestants and having fun doing a tree and having Morrow and Sooth and evaluate it. For preparation, I did nothing.
Nice.
Some heavy drinking.
I love it.
That's
All
about
right,
it.
Good luck, man.
Thank you.
You're gonna get through that hurdle.
There's Ryan's tree. Was this the tree that you wanted?
It's the tree I got.
Okay. Did you trade?
No.
Okay, I was wondering, Good luck, man.
Thank you.
There's Julius. Hey, man, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, man. How do you get into? How many years in bonsai were you? How many years did you do? 4 years. Oh, really? Wow, man. So, where did you get practice from, or were you trained under?
YouTube University.
Nice, I love it. You too, huh?
Samadi.
Oh, cool, man. And how did you practice for this competition, if you even practiced?
Just bought some raw materials
And you went at it?
worked on it.
Awesome, man. Okay, and good luck.
Thank you, thank you.
Hello, my name is Matthew Galacio. I am representing San Diego Bonsai Club in the Joshua Roth Rising Stars competition. I started doing bonsai 5 years ago, and I met Fred Miyahari 2 years in, and that's when I joined the San Diego Bonsai Club and started doing work with them.
How did you prepare for the competition?
I've been on a work trip for the past month, so I have not been doing any preparation, so
Nice.
I've only been looking at my own pictures and trees that inspire me.
Awesome.
So, thank you.
Good luck. Here's Matthew's tree. Matthew just stepped out. Looks like he has dead wood with his first branch almost done. How you doing, Ian? How you doing?
Excellent. How you doing?
Good, man. How many years have you been doing bonsai?
5 in earnest.
Cool. And who did you train under, if I could ask?
Primarily Peter T.
Peter.
I try to work with whoever's coming through town. And,
Awesome. And then, did you prepare for this competition at all?
yeah, I've been trying to practice as much as I could. And 6 months ago, I was like, great, I have plenty of time. I'm going to practice every day, and it didn't quite happen that way, but I've been working as much raw material as I can.
Awesome, man. Good luck.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Especially on this side. Yeah, this side's fine. Really? Yeah. So let's stay with these treatments.
Yeah.
Taking.
That's good. So they got you on something different than
No,
what you're doing, or?
we drop regular medication doctor. So it's called ISIS.
Really? Are you staying at home now, or are you still there?
I'm gonna stay there when I go to the
She has room for your trees back there? It's funny, all the Fresno people like to see Man, how you doing? Yeah. That's my first Silverberry I've had in my own. I really like it. It's so good. It's strong. Really good. Step one. Some tree recently. I was surprised to see it. I'll get you a face of that branch.
Is to go to the facility and work. And so, I mean, but anyway, it's a kind of fun story. So what if you're compared to birds or raptors or whatever, I'll take the awesome. I read that book, oh my God. It was, someone loaned that book to me. I don't even know if yes, yes, someone loaned it.
All right, Addison. At the a branch in the way. We'll go with it. It's okay. We'll go with it. We'll go with it. We'll go with it. I can play her. So, Addison, where you're from? A little intro, really quick.
Yeah, so I'm a part of the EBBS club, East Bay Bonsai Society, but I live in San Francisco currently.
Okay.
So I lived in Oakland for a while, and now I'm in SF. But yeah, really excited to be out here. I had a blast preparing for this competition, so I'm jazzed right now.
How many years have you been doing bonsai? That's the same question.
About 7 years.
Oh, so okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
For the first few years, I didn't really, I wasn't doing this kind of stuff. But now I've started to do a lot more wiring and styling, and really been enjoying the hobby a lot.
Awesome. And then, did you prepare for this competition in any form or way?
I did. Yeah. I'd say everybody in the competition is really impressive, and I'd say I was pretty far behind whenever I first got accepted. So I set a goal to style a tree a week until the competition.
Oh wow,
so,
you're really trained for this.
Yeah, so I styled 22 trees in preparation for this today. So hopefully it turns out all right. We'll
Awesome,
see.
man. All right, good luck, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Alrighty, so just interviewed everybody and then got Potter John to do a little intro for the Rising Star competition. I won't be here later today, but I'm going to get some pictures of the winners and put your bets before you guys, if you know, put your bets in the comments if you know who do you think is your favorite so far, and then who you think is going to win. And then I'll post at the very end who actually won. So keep up. I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Why are you still here? Why are you still watching? Oh, that's right. You probably want to know who the winner is. So here's a photo of all the competitors. And drum roll, please. The 2025 Joshua Roth Rising Star winner is Danny Martinez. Congratulations, Danny. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.